Google is one of the most influential tech companies in the world, powering billions of searches, hosting millions of websites, and running some of the most sophisticated AI models and cloud computing services. Given the complexity and scale of Google's operations, many people wonder, what programming languages does Google use? The short answer is that Google uses a wide range of programming languages, each chosen based on its strengths and specific use cases. From Python to C++, Java to Go, Google's technology stack is a blend of different languages working together to create seamless experiences for users. In this article, we'll explore the key programming languages Google relies on, why it uses them, and what this means for aspiring programmers. Why Google uses multiple programming languages? Before diving into specific languages, it's important to understand why Google doesn't rely on just one language. The answer lies in the company's vast and diverse ecosystem. Google's products and services range from search engines and cloud computing to artificial intelligence, mobile operating systems, and even hardware development. Each of these areas has different technical requirements, and no single language is perfect for every task. Google's engineers select programming languages based on performance needs. Some languages, like C++, are chosen for speed and efficiency, while others, like Python, are used for rapid development and scalability. Scalability: Google operates at a global scale, requiring languages that can handle millions or billions of users efficiently. Security and stability: the chosen languages must be secure, reliable, and compatible with Google's infrastructure. Ecosystem and community support: Google prefers languages with strong libraries, frameworks, and community contributions. Now let's explore the main programming languages used by Google and their specific applications. Number 1. C++ is the core of Google's high-performance systems. C++ is one of the most widely used languages at Google, powering many of its core services. Google's search engine, for instance, is heavily reliant on C++ for its performance and efficiency. Why Google uses C++? High performance: C++ provides direct control over hardware resources, making it ideal for processing massive amounts of data efficiently. Low latency: Google's search engine requires fast execution to process billions of search queries in real time. Scalability: C++ allows Google to build highly optimized software that runs smoothly across data centers worldwide. Where C++ is used at Google search engine, the core algorithms that process and rank search results are written in C++ for maximum speed. YouTube's backend, video processing and streaming rely on C++ for its efficiency in handling large-scale video data. Google Chrome: the web browser is primarily built using C++ to ensure a fast and responsive user experience. Number 2. Python. The powerhouse of Google's AI and automation, Python is one of Google's official programming languages, playing a crucial role in AI, automation, and data science. It is widely used by Google's engineers for building internal tools, managing infrastructure, and developing AI-driven applications. Why Google uses Python? Easy to learn and use. Python's simple syntax allows engineers to quickly prototype and iterate on projects. Powerful libraries: Python has robust libraries for AI, TensorFlow, PyTorch, data science, Pandas, NumPy, and web development, Flask, Django. Great for automation: Google uses Python to automate repetitive tasks, manage infrastructure, and handle cloud computing operations. Where Python is used at Google, artificial intelligence and machine learning, TensorFlow, an AI framework developed by Google, is built primarily for Python. Google Cloud Platform, GCP: Python is used for automating cloud infrastructure and managing big data. YouTube's recommendation system: Python-based machine learning models help suggest videos based on user behavior. System automation: Google's internal tools for deployment, monitoring, and maintenance often use Python scripts. Number 3. Java. The backbone of Android and enterprise services. Java is another core programming language at Google, especially for building enterprise applications and mobile development. Why Google uses Java? platform independence. Java runs on multiple platforms, making it ideal for enterprise-level applications. Strong ecosystem. With frameworks like Spring and Hibernate, Java is well suited for large-scale, high-performance applications. Android development. Java has been the primary language for Android app development since its inception. Where Java is used at Google? Android OS and applications. Until Kotlin became the preferred language, Java was the primary language for Android development. Google Drive and Google Docs. Many of Google's cloud-based productivity tools are built using Java. Google Web Services. Java plays a significant role in Google's back-end services and API integrations. Number 4. Go. Golang. Google's own programming language. Google created Go, also known as Golang, to address performance, scalability, and concurrency challenges in its infrastructure. Since its launch, Go has become an essential part of Google's development stack. Why Google uses Go? High performance. Go compiles directly into machine code, making it as fast as C++ but easier to write and maintain. Concurrency support. Go's Go routines enable efficient handling of multiple processes simultaneously, which is crucial for distributed systems. Simplicity and reliability. Go eliminates many complexities found in other languages, making it easier to manage large code bases. Where Go is used at Google Cloud Services, Go is used to build scalable cloud applications and infrastructure tools. Kubernetes. The widely used container orchestration system, originally developed at Google, is built with Go. Networking and backend systems. Go is used in Google's networking infrastructure to handle concurrent requests efficiently. Number 5. JavaScript and TypeScript, front-end and web applications. Google, being a leader in web technologies, extensively uses JavaScript and its superset, TypeScript, for building interactive web applications. Why Google uses JavaScript and TypeScript? Essential for web development. JavaScript is the primary language for building dynamic web pages. Scalability. TypeScript enhances JavaScript by adding static typing, making large applications more manageable. Performance optimization. JavaScript frameworks like Angular, developed by Google, improve front-end development efficiency. Where JavaScript and TypeScript are used at Google? Google Search Front-End. The user interface of Google Search is built using JavaScript and TypeScript. Gmail and Google Drive. These web applications rely heavily on JavaScript for smooth user interactions. Google Docs and Google Sheets. JavaScript and TypeScript enable real-time collaboration features. Number 6. Swift and Kotlin, mobile development. With the rise of mobile devices, Google has embraced languages like Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android. Why Google uses Kotlin and Swift? Kotlin, Android development. Officially supported by Google as the preferred language for Android app development due to its conciseness and safety. Swift, iOS development. Although Google doesn't control iOS, it uses Swift for building iOS applications of its products. Where Kotlin and Swift are used at Google Android apps, Google Maps, Gmail, and other Android apps use Kotlin. iOS apps. Google's iOS applications, such as YouTube and Google Photos, are written in Swift. What language should you learn? Given Google's diverse tech stack, which language should you learn if you aspire to work there or build Google-like applications? If you're interested in AI, automation, or data science, start with Python. If you want to develop mobile applications, learn Kotlin for Android and Swift for iOS. If you're aiming for high-performance applications or system programming, focus on C++ or Go. If you're into web development, JavaScript and TypeScript are essential. If you're interested in enterprise-level software development, Java is a great choice. Regardless of which language you choose, Google's use of multiple programming languages highlights the importance of adaptability in the tech industry. The key to success is not just learning one language, but understanding how different technologies work together to build powerful, scalable applications. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, there's always room to grow and explore new possibilities in the world of programming.